Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how to find someone you unblocked on in Snapchat. So for example, if you blocked a person for a while and now you want to unblock that specific person. So after unblocking that specific person, now that person is invisible from your Snapchat. So now in order to find them or in order to add them again, so what you have to do is just simply follow me. Without wasting time, let's get started. So first of all, you have to just simply open up Snapchat application on your mobile phone. So after opening up the Snapchat application on your mobile phone, now what you guys have to do is just simply go to your chat section by just tapping on your profile chat. So here what you have to do is just simply go to the top left corner of your profile icon. So after tapping on your profile icon, simply go to the setting on the top right corner. So here you have to simply scroll down until you're able to find the blocked users option. So here is the option. So what you have to do is, for example, this is the account you want to unblock it. So just simply hit the cross button here and simply click on yes. So after clicking on yes, in this way you guys have unblocked a person. Now you want to add that specific person. So what you have to do is just simply go back and again back. And here you have to just simply go to the search bar here. So in the search bar here, what you have guys have to do is just simply search for that specific profile. So if you are unable to see that specific profile here, so there is another chance. So if you have for example, if you have forgotten that specific username you have unblocked, then you guys can find out by just tapping on go back. Simply go to search bar and simply go back. So here you have to just simply scroll down and just tap on view more in the add friend section. So here you will be able to definitely see that specific profile here, and you guys can just simply hit the tap to add button and you guys can simply add that specific person you have unblocked. Or another way, so if you have completely remembered that specific username, you guys have to simply go to search bar and just simply tap that specific username exactly like that, and you will be able to see that specific profile. So I hope I think this is the profile I want to add it. You guys can see that specific profile has opened here. So what you guys have to do is just simply hit the add button to add that specific person. So I hope this method find you well. To like, share, subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye bye.